Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Milwaukee M18 fuel drywall screw gun. And the really cool thing about this is it has auto start. It weighs, another good thing is it weighs 4 pounds 2 ounces is what I weighed it at with the 4.0 amp hour battery. So the weight's not too bad. It's ergonomically designed. You can put your hand right there. But the big thing is auto start. Okay, to do auto start, you press the auto start button like that. Now you got a little light that comes on there in auto start. Then you have to have it in forward. Forward is when you take from the right hand side and you push the direction lever that way. That's forward. Then you press the trigger and you put the lock on. There. Okay, so we got the lock on and we got it on auto start. You want the bit to be about 3/16 of an inch out, but you have to check it each time to make sure you got it, you have it right. It's adjustable right here. If you spin it to the right, the bit will go farther up. If you spin it to the left, the bit will come farther back down. And just keep feeding them in there. To remove screws, take the nose cone off like that. Press the trigger, put it in reverse. And they come right out. And this is also how you change the bits. You take the nose cone off and change the bits. And then you just put the nose cone right back on, like that. In conclusion, I really like this drywall gun. It's quiet and can save your hearing. There's no cord to trip over, and it's safer, especially when workers are on stilts or on a lift. I'll put links in my video description for the Milwaukee M18 fuel drywall screw gun with auto start, both as a kit and as a bare tool. The kit includes a charger, 2 amp hour batteries, and a bag. The bare tool weighs 2 pounds 9 ounces and is very economical if you already have a charger and batteries. I'll put a link for the new Milwaukee drywall gun collated attachment, which is made to fit this cordless drywall gun. I'll also put links for the Makita, the DeWalt, the Bosch, and the Hilti cordless drywall screw guns. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.